Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Esther. How have you guys been? In today's video I'll be showing you how to make your flaxseed gel, homemade flaxseed gel. As you can see, this is the flaxseed. I'm not going to use everything because I don't need that much. Already there's water in the pot on the fire. Just gauge it yourself. You can gauge exactly what the amount of what you need. So I'm just gonna heat it up for 5 minutes. Guys, look at it, just 5 minutes is enough. Please, when you bring it down, don't sieve it immediately because it's hot. You can leave it for like 5 minutes before, but don't leave it more than 5 minutes because you can't get the gel out. If it's more than, it's going to stick. So as you can see, I want to sieve it out now to get the gel out from the flaxseed. So that's the gel, guys. I have a video that I will link in the description box where I use this gel as I use it to prepare my hair on my wash day. Do well to go watch it if you've not watched it, guys. Please, guys, on this journey we don't throw ingredients away. This is the seed itself. I'm going to blend it and I'm going to store it in my freezer. I'm going to tell you what I use it for. I added it to my hairspray too, and I also used it as a pre-poo after 2 weeks when I wanted to wash my hair again. So guys, like I said, we don't throw ingredients away. This statement can never be overemphasized. Thank you guys for watching.